Good morning, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a project share, and it is for cards for babies. So I used this die, and it is the interactive Pulley die card set from Anna Griffin. I used this die. I used the two pieces, the shadow layer and the stroller, and it is the baby carriage easel die. Oh, I also used the teddy bear and the wheels. And then I also used Anna Griffin's baby icon cut and embossed folders. So that's all I pulled out to make these cards. So yesterday or day before, I think, I showed you the interactive pulley card, and this is just the normal die using that, and it's just beautiful, and it closes up and everything. So then I pulled out all Anna Griffin supplies, and so let me just stick that there. And then this is what I made, and I'll show you all of them. But there you go. I don't know if the lighting is really showing off. It is very, very three-dimensional, and they go like that, and you can write on the back. And look, I think you're gonna have to use two stamps, but my daughter-in-law Amanda wanted these, and I think she's gonna hand them with the gift bag. So yeah, so there's one, and see how, let's see, and flyaways. Let's stand that up, and then I have two more. See how it stands up, and that would be beautiful on a baby's shelf. But here's another one. Get it up close. I don't know if you can see how it's got a giraffe right here. It had a giraffe right here. It's got hidden stuff. But here's the second one, and a duck and a rabbit and the teddy bear and flowers and embellishments. So let's stand that one up. Here, let's just move them so you can see them. And then here's my favorite. Look at that. That paper is just so pretty. So look at this. So here's a teddy bear, here's a teddy bear, here's a giraffe back here sneaking a peek, and then look at that paper of all of Anna Griffin, and then how it folds up like this, and this matches that. And there is a lot of space on the back, and everything. So I just loved making these. It was very fun. So I don't know if I'm going to get this in the picture or not. So there are the cards that I made, and it started out, this is the normal one, but you can change this section out and put a house, a castle, a carousel, a birdhouse, just any type of image. But this pulley back piece, this is the main piece, and then you just add whatever you want. It can be Christmas, Halloween, Easter, birthday. This goes so many ways and so much. You can decorate for men, women, babies' birthday. So if you're wondering what card to get, this would be it, and then all you would have to do is just fussy cut whatever you want to pop out. So this really goes a long way. So hopefully you like one of the projects that I showed you, and yeah, so there they are. Let me see if that will stand like that. It is just beautiful. I love it. Thank you. Have a blessed day. All my links are down below, and this came from annagriffinvideos.com or hsn.com. Have a blessed day.